Have you ever bought a vitamin C serum that turned brown just in a few days? Well, today I'm going to show you the exact science-backed formula professionals use to create a stable, powerful, and long-lasting vitamin C serum using one of the most advanced forms of vitamin C in the modern skincare world today. If you're a skincare lover, a DIY enthusiast, or someone building a beauty brand, this video is for you, okay? Hello lovelies, welcome back. I'm Angie Styles. So today we are diving into one of the most requested topics, which is how to create a professional vitamin C serum using 20% THD Ascorbate, one of the most stable and effective vitamin C derivatives available in the market today. And in the beauty world, of course. So I'm going to break everything down in a simple, beginner-friendly way so you can understand the science, the benefits, and the correct method to get the best result out of your product or your formula, okay? So get your formulation book and pen ready, okay? Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. But before we jump into the formula, let's talk about why THD Ascorbate is so special. Before you formulate anything with any ingredient, you need to know the benefits. Most vitamin C serums use L-Ascorbic, which is powerful but extremely unstable. It oxidizes quickly, turns brown, irritates some certain sensitive skin, and requires a very low pH for it to work. But THD Ascorbate is different. Here is why professionals love it. Number one is oil-soluble, meaning it penetrates deeper into the skin's lipid barrier. Okay? Then number two is up to 50 times more stable than traditional L-Ascorbic or traditional vitamin C you can see in the market out there. Okay? Then number three, it's non-irritating. Even for sensitive skin, anybody, any skin type can use it without problem. Then number four, it boosts collagen, brightens dark spots, and helps fight aging. Okay? So when people say the best vitamin C is the one you will actually use, this is the vitamin C they are referring. This is what they mean, okay? So today we are creating a very elegant, luxurious oil-based serum. It feels silky, lightweight, and absorbs beautifully into the skin without any issue. Why won't you love this kind of serum? Are you ready? Okay, let's jump into the formula. We will start with phase A. This is the foundation of the serum, okay? So, first ingredient, we need 20% THD Ascorbate. Our hero ingredient is potent, stable, and deeply penetrating. Okay? Then, second ingredient, we need 40% squalene. It's lightweight, fast absorbing, and helps carry vitamin C deeper into the skin to do its job. And next, we need 15% jojoba oil. It balances the formula, supports the barrier, and mimics skin natural sebum. You all know about it. Remember to always make your research before you use any ingredients. Then we need 10% rose hip oil. It's rich in natural vitamin A and it supports brightening and repairs the skin. Okay, so that will be it for phase A. Then let's jump into phase B. Phase B is the antioxidant boost. These ingredients protect your formula and supercharge its benefits, okay? So the number one ingredient will be vitamin E. So we need 1% of vitamin E, which is the natural antioxidant and prevents oxidation. Next, we need 0.5% CoQ10. It boosts firmness, supports repair, and slows signs of aging. Then next, we need 0.5% beta-carotene. It's great for glow, protection, and skin resilience. Okay, so that will be it for phase B. Then we move to phase C, which is the texture and absorption ingredients. That's what we need here. And what do we need? We just need 13% MCT oil. Okay, this oil keeps your serum silky, fast absorbing, and non-greasy. Okay, so how do we formulate this? Now let's walk through the steps. Step 1, add your squalene, jojoba, rosehip oil, and MCT oil in a clean sterilized beaker. Okay, then mix them well until everything looks uniform. Okay, then we move on to step 2. Step 2, add your THD Ascorbate. Because it's oil soluble, it dissolves beautifully. Keep stirring until the mixture turns completely clear. Okay. Then step 3, add your antioxidant boosters. That is vitamin E oil, CoQ10, and beta-carotene oil. Okay, mix gently for about 2 to 3 minutes or thereabouts, and that is it. You now have a professional grade vitamin C serum that works well and doesn't oxidize. Okay, so for packaging, always choose UV protected amber or dark glass bottles that have with dropper or pump, depending on your preference. Okay, it depends on you. Because this is an oil-based stabilized formula, you get an impressive shelf life of 12 to 18 months when you store it in a cool, dark place. That's one of the biggest advantages of using THD Ascorbate, because it does not oxidize fast and it lasts long. To use it, apply 2 to 5 drops after cleansing toning before your moisturizer. Okay, you can use it morning or night, but during the day, always follow with sunscreen. Vitamin C boosts UV protection but doesn't replace SPF. I've talked about sunburn on this channel, so if you haven't watched the video, go and watch it, or maybe I will link it in the description. You need to watch it. There I explain what sunburn is, how to prevent it, okay, and how to take care of it if you already have it. So make sure you check out the video. All right, so if you find this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skin science, DIY formulations, and natural beauty education. Okay. If you want the full printable formula, comment formula below and I will send it to you. Okay, and that will be it for today, guys. I hope you found this helpful. For those of you disturbing me that you want vitamin C serum, I have vitamin C serum video on this channel, but I say let me show you the stable one, because those ones are not stable. You need to add other ingredients to help them be stable. And when you make it, you should always keep it in refrigerator. I mean, if you are using L-Ascorbic. But this particular one, just store it. You don't need to put it in the refrigerator because it's oil based. Store it in a cool, dark place. Okay? I will see you guys in my next one. If you have any video request or any recipe or any formula request, leave it in the comments and I will try my possible best to share the formula or share the video. Okay, anything you want me to talk about concerning natural skincare and professional formula, let me know in the comments. Okay, and I will see you guys in my next one. Stay naturally beautiful.